Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this session, we will practice the critical path method with 5 short questions and answers. We will draw each network, identify paths, and highlight the critical path and the total project duration. Practice 1. Activities and durations in days are as follows. A equals 3, B equals 4, C equals 2, D equals 5. Dependencies. A goes to B, A goes to C, and both B and C go to D. Draw the network. We will compare 2 main paths, a -B-D and a -C-D. Highlight the critical path and state the duration. Answer. The critical path is A to B to D with duration 12 days. Practice 2. Activities and durations in days. A equals 2, B equals 5, C equals 4, D equals 6, E equals 3, F equals 4. Dependencies. A to B, A to C, B to E, C to D, and both D and E to F. Draw the network. We compare 2 main routes to the finish, a -B-E-F and a -C-D-F. Highlight the critical path and state the duration. Answer. The critical path is A to C to D to F with duration 16 days. Practice 3. Activities and durations in days. A equals 4, B equals 3, C equals 5, D equals 6, E equals 2, F equals 4. Dependencies. A to B and A to C, B to D, C to E, and both D and E to F. Draw the network. We compare 2 main routes to the finish, a -B-D-F and a -C-E-F. Highlight the critical path and state the duration. Answer. The critical path is A to B to D to F with duration 17 days. Practice 4. Notice a tie case. Durations in days. A equals 1, B equals 7, C equals 7, D equals 2. Dependencies. A to B, A to C, and both B and C to D. Draw the network. 2 routes have the same length, a -B-D and a -C-D. Highlight both critical paths and state the duration. Answer. Critical paths are A to B to D and A to C to D, both with duration 10 days. Practice 5. Durations in days. A equals 3, B equals 2, C equals 5, D equals 4, E equals 3, F equals 2, G equals 6. Dependencies. A and B go to D, C goes to E, D and E go to F, F goes to G. Draw the network. We compare 3 routes to the finish, a -D-F-G, B-D-F-G, and C-E-F-G. Highlight the critical path and state the duration. Answer. The critical path is C to E to F to G with duration 16 days. Quick recap. The critical path is the longest duration path from start to finish and sets the project duration. Non-critical activities have slack and can move without delaying the project, while critical activities have 0 slack. Great job practicing 5 examples with me today.